We're going to go ahead and check to see if your console is active or not for softwares. So what we're going to do is go on to the computer. We're going to go to the Keyline website, which is www.keyline-usa.com. We're going to highlight on electronic key cutting machines and then go over to software subscriptions and press that. It changes to the next page, and we're going to go ahead and put the console serial number in on this page here. And then press enter. You'll get information saying that in this case the software subscription is still active on the machine. With this, in the lower left-hand corner of the screen, you're going to go ahead and see the next steps that you have to take in order to continue on with updating your machine. If your software subscription is inactive, this information for the next steps will be a little bit different, a little bit longer, but it will walk you through all of the steps. Okay, the first thing to do, we want to go ahead and download the KCT app. So we're going to go ahead and click this link. The actual app will start downloading in the lower left-hand corner of your screen. And once it's downloaded, we can go ahead and click on the file. Okay, we're going to go ahead and double-click the file. Run it. Press run. Press OK for English. Create a desktop shortcut, and then do the installation. Okay, we're going to go ahead and launch it. And here's where you want to press register. And we want to go ahead and put your name in. Email address. Create a password. Confirm the password. Select your country. Company name. Telephone and fax are optional. Qualification, choose what you are. And then you have the categories that you would be interested in. And then authorized personal data. And if you want to receive the newsletter. And then press the next button here. Then we're going to check, do you have a Keyline duplicating machine? If you have any other machines, any non-duplicating machines. And then go ahead and press the Save button. Now, this information is being brought over to the server, and then you'll receive a confirmation email. And once you get the confirmation email, you need to go ahead and confirm the email. If you do not get a confirmation email, go ahead and check in your junk email and or the spam If it's not there, then go ahead and give us a call and we can go ahead and take a look and find out why it didn't happen. So our email is up. You have a link that you're going to go ahead and select. And we'll go ahead and press enter. At this point, you can go ahead and put in your email to confirm. And then the password. And press login. We got into the website, so we are registered as a user. Okay, you'll notice on the screen that it says to register your mechanical machine. You do not have to register your machine. It's an electronic machine. When you do the update, that's when your machine gets registered. So you're done with the website at this point, so you can close it and then continue on with the update. Okay, we're done with the computer. We're going to go move over to the machine. I'm going to log in as administrator and press next. Do we want to register? We're going to press yes. Then we're going to put in the email. The machine automatically defaults to uppercase, so you have to press the Alt to go to lowercase. Alt to get to a period, and then back to Alt again. We can go to the password. This function has a nice feature where you can press this I on the right-hand side, and it'll show you what you're typing in. And then you press next, and it says to insert the USB stick. Okay, this preparation phase can take a while. When doing the update, you want to go ahead and block off some time because the registration process and the update process can take a little bit of time. So you want to make sure that you don't have any jobs that are pressing. Okay, the file has been downloaded onto the USB drive, so we want to go ahead and remove it from the machine and take it over to the PC and plug it into the PC. And the download will show up at the lower left-hand corner of the screen. So right now it's doing the checks. And as I said, it'll show up right here. It tells you how big the file is and how much time is remaining on it. Okay, says that the machine has been successfully registered and the subscription is active, so we want to say yes to proceeding. Now it's going to go ahead and abstract the update from the USB drive and start the installation process. Now you see that the machine is updating. It'll switch over and start loading all the various files. Once it's complete, the machine will go through and do a reboot and then finally indicate that it's updated. Okay, we finished doing the actual firmware version, and now it tells you that the subscription is successfully done. We're valid until 2021 in May. Press OK, and then log in as normal under Administrator, and then you're done with the update.